Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun and special Scroll Saw Project video, we're going to be cutting out a design from Holiday Scroll Saw Ornaments by Fox Chapel Publishing. It features 200 plus clean classic woodworking patterns by Jacob and Wayne Fowler. And what's special about this video is at the end of this video, you're going to be able to get details to enter for a chance to win this new and amazing book by Fox Chapel Publishing. As it states, it is packed with patterns, and they're not just Christmas patterns or seasonal patterns. They're patterns that can be interpreted to any kind of season and everything. There's Easter patterns in here, of course Christmas patterns in here, and religious patterns, but there's also stuff for Valentine's Day, Halloween, there's stuff for the beach, flowers, spring, Easter. Really, really cool. I'm really happy to collaborate with Fox Chapel Publishing and allow my viewers to be able to enter for a chance to win this book. I've already done several amazing patterns and ornaments out of this book, and it is packed, like I said, with amazing patterns. So without further ado, let's pick out a pattern to make here today, and then I'll give you details on how to enter for a chance to win this book. Let's get started. And over here at the printer, we're going to select a pattern to photocopy. That way we save the original. And I want to thank my buddy Sam at Knighthood Creations for giving me this printer to use out in the workshop. I'm using it more and more. And I will quickly trim out the pattern and get it attached to our material with clear packing tape off camera. And then over here at the workbench, we are taking the Seiko Scroller's drill and drilling out all of the pilot holes for internal cutting. And you see I have a backer board behind it to prevent blowout with the pilot holes. That way we can easily find them once we're over at the scroll saw. And over here at the scroll saw, I am using number 5 Ultra reverse tooth blades for all of the cutting on this project. And I'll begin by doing some of the smaller internal cuts, and we are cutting out a nice little nutcracker piece here. So we're beginning with the details in the center of his uniform. And some of these smaller cuts, it feels like sometimes it takes longer to rethread the blade and tension it than it does to do the actual cut. But all of these details will ultimately make an amazing design. I want to thank Fox Chapel Publishing for trusting me with this project and this giveaway that we are doing. I will leave links down in the description box below to all of Fox Chapel's contacts, their websites, and social medias. This Nutcracker brings back a lot of memories for me while I'm sitting here scrolling this piece out. I remember going in maybe the 4th or 5th grade with school to the local college and watched everyone perform the iconic Nutcracker play. And even though I was young, I was still captivated by all of the pageantry and the outfits and everything and the story that was told. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel and also follow me across all of my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd really appreciate the support. Doing some of the final internal cuts here, and then we will be able to retension the blade and release the nutcracker from the waste wood. I took my time on this whole project and let the blade do the work, and I did not break a blade during the entire scrolling process. Completing that final internal cut, and you see me retension the blade, and now we are doing that final long outside perimeter cut to release the nutcracker from the waste wood. And I just love working with poplar. It has beautiful grain texture, and it cuts amazingly well over on the scroll saw with minimal chip out. So that's always good when it comes time for sanding. Coming along the top of the nutcracker's crown, and we'll proceed to scroll out the other side. And keep in mind, this was meant to be cut out of thinner material like 1/4 or 1/8 inch thick material and made into an ornament. This is just how I'm depicting the project and how I visually wanted to see it. I wanted it to have a base where he could be displayed on a shelf, mantle, or windowsill. And over here at the workbench, we will take the nutcracker out and we can start to see what the finished project will look like. And I will quickly draw a circle here on another scrap 1/2 inch piece of poplar. And once I was satisfied with that, we went back over to the scroll saw and, still using the same blade, quickly cut it out. And then it was time for sanding. And I am using 180 grit cling spore sandpaper and my vibrating palm sander here. And using small circular motions, I sanded the front and back of everything. And then it was time to glue him to the base, and I'm using medium grade CA glue and activator. And I lined him up by eye. And I gave him around 5 minutes to cure. And then it was time for a finish. And my go-to is several coats of Rust-Oleum clear gloss. And I hung him on a hook here in the breeze to dry. And after an hour or so, we could handle him and take him off the hook, and the project was complete. And before I show off the finished Nutcracker piece, let's get into the details of how you can enter to win this amazing book that we cut today's pattern out of. It is the latest book by Fox Chapel Publishing, Holiday Scroll Saw Ornaments, 200 plus clean classic woodworking patterns by Jacob and Wayne Fowler. And all you need to do to enter for a chance to win this new and amazing book is simply comment on this video down in the comment section below. It can be as simple as commenting on the project we cut out today, a simple hey to me, or thank you for doing a great job, anything like that. And Fox Chapel Publishing, not myself, but Fox Chapel Publishing is going to select 4 winners to send this amazing book to. They will reach out to you. The cutoff date to enter for this contest is October the 22nd, so just keep that in mind and get those comments down in the comment section. Once again, I'm so thankful to be working with Fox Chapel Publishing. They really interact with the people that support them, and I'm thankful that they support me. They do an amazing job, and their books are quality and worth every penny. So once again, here is a look at the book, and it is packed with amazing patterns. And today's project we done come from page 38 that we photocopied, and keep in mind it's an advanced pattern, this Nutcracker Project. And what I love about books like this, they are packed with beginner, intermediate, and advanced scroll saw projects, so it's always really, really cool. Good luck to everyone who enters the contest. I'm really looking forward to see who all wins it. Again, I play no part in selecting the winner of the contest, but here is the completed project from today. It is the miniature Nutcracker cut out completely on the scroll saw, and he finished up amazingly well. And the Rust-Oleum clear gloss really made everything pop and look amazing. And I just took my time and let the blade do the work, you know, because you want to make sure that his face and his uniform here that he is wearing comes out symmetrical and nice and crisp. And also keep in mind, this was supposed to be an ornament. That's what this book is packed full of. It was just in my mind's eye, I interpreted it different and cut him out of thicker stock to where we could add a base and be able to sit him in a windowsill once Christmas time comes. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all of my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care. Good luck to everyone who enters the contest. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.